Ashley Anderson here. I'm here to show you a delicious recipe, vegan date caramels, on episode 1 of my new show, More Delightful with Dates. Now, I am a huge caramels fan, like I love them. But what I don't love is how the prepackaged ones in the store have so much sugar. So I'm here to show you how you can enjoy caramels guilt-free. So in today's recipe, we are using Natural Delights dates. Now, Natural Delights dates are so good for you. They are certified heart healthy. They have 16 essential vitamins and minerals in them. They are low in the glycemic index and an excellent source of potassium. Dates actually have 50% more potassium than bananas do. Now, why do we care about potassium so much? So potassium is essential for healthy heart function and kidney function. It helps you to build those muscles and aid in muscle recovery. And those skin cells, it helps to keep them hydrated and moisturized. Now, before we get started making the vegan date caramels, why don't you come with me to the store while we get all the ingredients. Yesterday, I took my 2 daughters to our local grocery store to pick up all the ingredients to make our vegan date caramels. First, our main ingredient, the Natural Delights pitted dates. Now, this container was the perfect size for our recipe. Then next, we have the almond flour. We have our vanilla extract. Can't forget the almond butter. My kids love almond butter. And then we have the kosher salt, and then some coarse sea salt for the topping. Now, let's go make some caramels. Okay, so it's been an hour. I just took out the date caramels out of the freezer. We'll take them out, put them on the cutting board. Then we sprinkle some sea salt on the top, and then we'll cut them up and try them. Just gonna sprinkle a bit on here. You don't want too much. Okay, so next we cut them into squares. So they're usually cut them about 1/2-inch squares. And honestly, looking at this, I think I could have flattened it out a little bit better, but it is what it is. Okay, now here is the official taste test. So excited for this. Yeah. It is so good. So good. Oh my goodness. Like, if you told me that this was like filled with sugar, I would believe you. These are so good. Definitely a great caramel dupe. Okay, so I just ate mine, and now I have to get my kids to try it and see what they think of it. Tell me what you think of it.
I like it.
Is it good? Is it yummy?
It's the best one.
Is it the best one? You love it? Try it. What do you think? Is it yummy? Is it yum?
Yummy.
Yummy? Hey babe, can you try this? How do you like it?
It's good.
What do you think it is? Do you know it's dates? Isn't it good?
Pretty good.
As you guys can see, Natural Delights dates are amazing. They have health benefits, they taste amazing, and they are kid approved. And did you know you can use them in almost any recipe in place of sugar? So you can actually use the date puree at a 1-to-1 ratio in place of sugar. So it's definitely something you want to pick up to make your recipes a bit more healthier. Now, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who tuned in to my first episode of More Delightful with Dates. Now, be sure to subscribe to see more of my content. Hope everyone has a good day.